It's time. Huntsville Hamfest. Let's get started. Hello everybody and welcome to day one of Huntsville Hamfest 2025. My favorite Hamfest every year. What a wonderful event. Here we are, Huntsville, Alabama, the Von Braun Center. Going to break this up into a few different videos. We'll do one about the commercial vendors, one about the flea market, well maybe one or two about the flea market. Flea market's huge. And then maybe some one-off specials with some folks. So let's get started and take a look. Now, a couple weeks ago, Mark came on, and Mark, the chairman of the Huntsville Hamfest, came on the channel and told us about the new prize barrel. And boy, they have overachieved on this. This is wonderful. Check this thing out. So it's a big gyroscope. Rotates on 3 axes. Really, really cool. Kind of like one of those things kids ride at space camp and stuff that flip around. But it was inspired by the U.S. Space and Rocket Center Space Camp here in Huntsville. But you can see the inner white ring is irregular octagon, dimensions of 46 inches and a half by, well, y'all don't need to know the size. You can tell how big that thing is just by looking at it. But shout out to the Brown Coach 7842, Nathan, MJ, Joel, Asher, Caleb, Camden, Evan, Ava, Caleb, Asher again, Camden, and Joel. And the coaches, Jeff, Monty, Gilbert, Ed, and Bryce. So really cool thing. Super excited to see this thing in action. With a push of a button, that thing will be able to flip and go in several different directions. Pretty excited to see that work. So we've already put my tickets in there. 2 grand prizes this year, Monday and Tuesday. Or not Monday and Tuesday, sorry. Saturday and Sunday both are giving away an FTDX 10. So really excited about that. Taking a look back this way, you got Stone Mountain Hamfest here, POTA, and NARA. We'll get over and talk with Michael later on. He was on the channel earlier this week doing a live stream with us. I appreciate him coming on for that. QuadNet Mobile Digital Ham and Radio, Eris, AMSAT, Radio Rambler Club, Straight Key Century Club. My buddy Carol's a member of that. Long on CW Club, North Alabama DX, and the Alabama Contest Group. Over this way is Gigaparts. We'll go in and take a look at Gigaparts later. But they've got a little miniature store here. Back there's the Youth Lounge. Check that out in a while too. Let's work our way through the convention center and see what all we find here. So they're running operations from back there. And here on the back side. This is the Yoda Lounge back here, or Youth on the Air, I should say. Nothing else back there at this point. Flex Radio's here, on with Mass Grant. RT Systems. And Radiolity's right back there. East Texas Towers. Repeater Book. Friends from Tar Heel. Rocket Machine Works. They have these really cool, love these. These really cool window pass-throughs. Really handy. They also make ports and conduits. So check this out. Come in the side, and then they have PVC that runs up through here. Easy, easy peasy to run your coax. You got not Allicraft, Wolf River coils here. Buddy pole. Friends at Gold Medal Designs, they got me out of a ditch last year with my t-shirts. Appreciate them as well. Great t-shirts. Ham Source buying. Oh, there's David. What's up, buddy? Hey. Dino Power Ham Source, Sign Man. Let's come back down through here real quick. I'm trying to run through this as fast as I can because the Hamfest will be opening up soon. And I know y'all don't like to step on top of other people. You got Allicraft. Ham Radio Deluxe, Halbert, W5YI, Bird RF, and then Spec 5. Here's our friends at Ham Radio Outlet. On this end cap, they have the ARRL. And it looks like Ham Radio Outlet does have a few, and I repeat, a few FT1X fields. Yaesu again. Radio Club of Junior High School 22, New York City. Interesting. It's pretty cool. Leroy with M&L. We'll catch up with him in a little while. 1007. Diamond antennas. Then here is the ARRL and ICOM. There's Ham Radio Crash Course getting set up. I'm going to capture the intro, or the doors opening, it looks like. Hamcation, Hamvention hadn't pulled in yet. Heil, along with 12-volt power. There's Jim, a chat radio.
There's the ICOM and the Comet.
Wild Sage Jewelry, they're always here. K8MRD, talking with, I believe it's ABR. Yeah, that's ABR.
We got your early starting out. Oh, did you? Are you?
Ham Threads, WAMCM kits. That's pretty cool. Seed Studios, Dave. Back over here we have Armalock and Unpaved Exhibitions. So there we go. Well, I got, you know, as an AV guy myself, I just have to admire Josh's setup there. That is cool. It's kind of running a monopod, but Got a monitor and a camera attached to it. Really, really cool setup. There's Carlos over there, getting ready to open it up. Tank Radio just walked in. There's Professor Jim from World Radio or Ham Radio Prep. Hey, you might as well say World Radio League too. All right, speaking of World Radio League and Ham Radio Prep, I need to say a gigantic thank you. This is the final stop on this year's HamShackTV Hamfest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Those guys have been instrumental to the growth of this channel, as well as being able to get me to these things. It's been a great time, and I cannot say thank you to James and Professor Jim and Andy enough. They have been phenomenal. If you're looking to get your ham radio license or maybe upgrade, Ham Radio Prep is the way to go. They have great interactive online courses, and they're so confident they can help you pass your test on the first attempt. They offer a money-back guarantee. See the website for details, hamradioprep.com, and use my coupon code HamShackTV. You'll get 10% off. They're already great prices, and when I say they're great prices, they are great prices. Also, maybe you've already got your extra class license. That's fine. They've still got something else for you. They have a MCOM course, Emergency Communications. They have a Ham Radio Basics course, and I'm forgetting the last one, but they've got so many different courses that are available to you. Matter of fact, they just launched a new course involving satellites. Use my coupon code HamShackTV. You'll get 10% off the already amazing prices that they offer. So that's HamShackTV on hamradioprep.com. Use my coupon code HamShackTV. You'll get 10% off. Also, World Radio League, guys, the great thing about World Radio League, it doesn't cost anything to try it out. Just go on there, sign up for a membership, give it a try. If you're happy with what you get, which I'm sure you will be happy, you can get 10% off a paid membership by using my coupon code HamShackTV10. Really, really cool stuff. Love World Radio League. It is literally the future of ham radio logging. So anyway, thank you to them, and I look forward to continuing our great relationship as it continues to grow. So we're going to stand by here for a minute and wait for the doors to open, and then get started.